Hey guys, Alicia here, where I'm all about making a passive income and making money online. Today I want to talk about how you can create online courses and make a really good passive income from that. Now, you can't just, get on one of these sites and just create anything. You need to plan it out, just like you were a teacher. You need to plan out your course. There are several different sites you can do this. I'll go into that here shortly. But you want to be thorough about who you are as an author. You want to write something about yourself and why you're qualified in this area. Now, I don't believe you need a degree in college. I believe that life experience has taught us so many things, and we all have something to offer. That's why I feel that making online courses is a great way to make a passive income. We are all passionate about something, or we are all interested in something, and we are all, an expert in something, just from something that we have come across along the way that has, sparked our interest. So we all have something to offer to the world. So, once again, that's why you want to be thorough about who you are as the author. Maybe put a picture of yourself and write a great bio on that. The second thing you want to do is you want to make a great intro, for your online course, because this is what is going to, this is the first thing that your students are going to see is your intro, and you want to make a good impression about what is going to be in your course, which is going to make them more likely to purchase your course. You also want to be clear with your outline of the course. That way the student knows exactly what is going to be taught, in these courses. So, I just highly recommend that you plan ahead, and, maybe even if you have to take a notebook, in your free time and sit down and jot down some ideas, about how you're going to do your bio, how you're going to do, each, course description. Also, you can use, I highly recommend using Google Docs if you have, anything that you want to prepare, as far as, printing out things for them to have, so that they will have that. Now, there are several different sites that you can start on, and I'm going to go over those. Now, this is not going to be a comparison by any means, and it's not going to be, a versus, like Udemy versus Teachable, or, Teachable versus Thinkific. It's not going to be anything like that, because I think all of those sites have something wonderful to offer. There are good things about all of them. The reason that I have this open right here with Udemy is that I think Udemy is a great place to start. And when I say that, Udemy, there's no upfront cost. Udemy is great for beginners. You don't have to have a business already, because the traffic Udemy gets, it's basically there's already an audience for you. They handle, all of your payment processes for you. And it seems they seem to have a pretty good supportive community. I'm actually working on an online course right now, and I'm starting out with Udemy, but that doesn't mean that I won't, later use Teachable. So this is also, pretty much the same thing with Skillshare. It's pretty similar to Udemy, but I think Udemy and Skillshare are probably about equally. I don't know. I'm really kind of on the fence about that one. I like both of these, and I've done lots of research on both of these, and I think that my vote is going to go towards Udemy, even though I think Skillshare is awesome as well. Okay, so Teachable. This is also a very great platform to use whenever you're creating your, online course. However, the thing about Teachable is that you have to do your own marketing. So this Teachable is great. Like, let's say you already have your own website and you already have, a very good, YouTube channel with, a bunch of subscribers. This is a great way where you can market, your course. So they do not do any of the marketing for you. You also have to handle your own payments and refunds on this. And, it can kind of be a sort of a pain, but Teachable also has no limit on like what you can charge, for, your courses. So it might be a little bit of extra work, but it's actually great. Like I said, if you are already successful and have, your own website and you have people following you, you already have an email list, I would say Teachable is the way to go. And I'm going to get to that point someday. So, but once again, I really think that if you are a beginner, I think Udemy is the place to start. And then you can kind of work your way up once you develop your own, YouTube channel, your own website, your own email list. You can then maybe move on to, Teachable. So this was just kind of a brief description. Please leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you about that, anything about this. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification, as I am uploading videos, at least twice a week, about how to make a passive income. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.